Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Indesit washing machine. It's a W133. It's pretty gross. The handle's broken on it. I think it's only fit for one thing, which is to throw a brick in it. So I'm going to wire it for maximum speed. I've got it over on its side. That's the drain hose. I've got the machine over on its side, and first things first, I'm going to take this drain hose out of the way because it's just in my way there. Oh, there's a load of snots coming out of that. Gross. And it stinks. Oh, that's smelly. So with the drain hose out of the way, I can get a clearer view at what we're doing. And there's the motor. Let's get right up in there. And it looks like we've got two white wires going to the tacho on the end. And we've got four other wires, red, brown, grey and green. So let's take off this connector block, or this connector here. What we want to do is run the power coming in from a live or neutral into a brush, then take a little jumper cable, just a little piece of wire with a connector on each end, and go from the other brush to one of the windings inside the motor, that copper there you see, and then go from the other end of that winding out again through either the live or the neutral. And you can check out another video I've put up on YouTube, how to wire a universal washing machine motor, for a more clear version and explanation of what that is, but for now I'm just going to hotwire it. So let's see if I can figure out which one goes to a brush. Right, so I can see that's black going to that brush, which doesn't help much at all because there's no black wire here. So what goes to the other brush? If I reach around the back, there's a cable there, and that's going into this grey sleeve, so that grey one's a brush. Then I could presume that there's some kind of a temperature sensor cut off in there or something, so that black goes from the brush into a something and comes out green, because it's only because it's adjacent to the grey cable. So let's try it. Let's put the power into one brush, which I'm presuming is the green, then take it from the other brush via this little jumper cable to the winding. It's on there. And then from the other winding, which is about here, I think we're all together there. And if I plug this in, it should spin. So let's plug it in. These few little bits of stuff fell out of that hose and they really smell. They're really smelly. Contact. So obviously that was a success, the motor works fine, but for some reason the belt jumped off. So I'll put the belt back on. I've just got to get it around that pulley in there. When power's turned off here, I've got to get around that pulley and around the bigger pulley up above there. But that's it, that's how you wire this motor, the Indesit W133. Thanks for watching, see you later. So stay tuned, because in the near future I will smash this washing machine with a brick. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you later.